Nigerians, una sin, na they pursue una. You see the way Fulani herdsmen they keep people. You see the way hungry they keep people. Now the team wey we do Jonah for before, na they follow us they come. Jonah no good, Jonah no good. When Jonathan was the president, hungry they worry us like this. Fulani herdsmen never kill people rich like this. Boko Haram, he never reach like this. Now. YouTube channel. This is Coco Mama. Thank you for those of my friends who keep coming. I appreciate. Thank you very much. My previous channel was Nigeria Coco Mama, so for like some couple of months now the channel gets small yawa. So some group of people may say the channel they give them headache, so then carry my channel for my back, go report them for YouTube. YouTube comes. Only God know as the channel waka. That one I by the way. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Coco Mama, if you like what I'm doing. I so much appreciate the way some of my fans, they appreciate me. They come locate me down to this new one. They show me love. In fact, may God bless all of you. And some of my fans said, they write me, Coco Mama, we adore you. You get brain. Somebody writes me, say your name should Coco Mama no fitty. I don't give you new name. The new name now BB. BB means say you're beautiful and you get brain. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate. I so much appreciate. But no let beautiful people catch you, because if they catch you, you have go gas for your head. If they can't people make beautiful, I know they for inside. I know say I get brain because of say God give everybody brain, but it's left for you to use them. But for the beautiful, I don't know about that one. I thank all of you. Those people, they appreciate me. Those people, they send me gifts, comments, message, encourage. In fact, I love you so much. I don't even know say small me go come one day so important. Maybe say my previous channel kaput, destroy. Una still look for me, still type Coco Mama for now. Search for me. Remain small as one come look for me for inside my house. Now they hide. I so much appreciate. I love una so much. I love una so much. Today this message make I won't talk today. I get them for nobody but our former president. Good luck. I won't beg our excellency, former president of Nigeria, good luck Jonathan. Biko, I beg, since I did for my knee. I beg you, sir. Please forgive Nigeria, for we don't know what we they do. Nigerians, una sin, na they pursue una. You see the way Fulani herdsmen they keep people. You see the way hungry they keep people. Now the team wey we do Jonah for before, na they follow us they come. Jonah no good, Jonah no good. When Jonathan was the president, hungry they worry us like this. Fulani herdsmen never kill people rich like this. Boko Haram, he never reach like this. Now cows they waka for Abuja gone close to cattle now not become first citizen for Nigeria. They value cattle now more than una. After Buhari is now the first citizen. Cattle now the second, before the remaining small senators and the rest of them. Una, our life be like chicken. Make una know it till the una wants, if una know the better thing una go do now. May God go come out all these courses. Make una first write letter, apology letter to our ex-president Jonathan. Make he forgive una. Because of say, you see how Hausa people, no matter how their leaders bad reach, they know they forsake them when they need them most. When I see the way small underage children go they vote when Buhari won't come into power. When I don't get the video, I get the video. Small children when they're supposed to they suck breast for house. All of them begin the vote APC. But we most supposed to cast our vote for our own brother, maybe Jonathan. we can't join APC group because they give us one bag of cassava, two indomie, 2 biro, 2 exercise book. We join APC. Hausa vote for their people. We will join Hausa vote for them. Hausa na betrayers them be. When I mean Hausa, I mean the Hausa Muslims. They don't like you for one day. 15 years now I do for Kano, precisely Kano. I know you talk about what I do for Abuja, Kaduna, Yobe State, Kano. Those people, if you like, those Almanjiri, maybe they beg. You go give them clothes, give them food, whatever you give them. When riot starts, you know what they call riot. You never they can never know it to be riot. Now you make they do good for them. Now you they go first come kill. They don't like you for the fact say even if they give them whatever. So far you know be their language and you know they worship the same God like them because they say they get their own God. If riot starts, then they go personally come kill you for your house. Me ma sit down for here, I be living testimony because of say I don't escape death for outside people hand because of who dey for Kano. 95% people may don't dey for Kano, real Kano. When I mean Kano, may don't dey between outside people. You say you never escape death. Now me say no be Kano you dey because their Sharia or their riot they fight them steady. If you never escape one dead or the other, now me say no be naughty, don't stay for Kano. These people, you will give them everything, but when fights come, you now they will first conquer because that one means say they love their people. May know they give them 1 cent pass you. Our money more they give them that time for notes. They will carry the money, carry and go Mosalachi. They will first go pray on top before they spend them because of say our hand don't touch and they say we na hard now. So wait till we give them, they'll first go wash them before they wash them means say prayer before they go fit use them. You may you work your money, you never pray on top. You may you want take and help Almanjiri. They go carry and go do prayer. That prayer, whether not to cause bad luck for you, we don't know. But they try to talk, we say, these people, they like themselves so much. They cooperate where we not love ourselves, we not cooperate. We don't even love our family members. You don't even love yourself first before you come to love other person. We need love. When I see the kind of schools, Almanjiri schools, made Jonathan build plenty. Jonathan does, you don't even do anything for in area. He just concentrate on the northerners, thinking saying go fit favor them, thinking saying that them plenty for the Nigeria. He go fit, he go see as he go take make them so that he go win against second time. But everything in nothing come to reality to show you say how some people, if you like, kill yourself for them. If you know be the same person like them, they know they value you. They like their people well. Oh, their people may not give them 1 cent. They value and pass. 2019 don't they reach again? No, I just they do this video because of say make una use una brain. If una like, make una extend this Buhari tenure again. Una give another 4 years. Make una no go get una PVC. Fulani esme go come meet you for your bedroom where you dey make love with your wife. Go kill una kill your unborn baby made dey for una belle. As una feel say una no wan get una PVC or una feel say una like Buhari well because he share cassava, indomie, rice for una. The betray Jonathan. May God have mercy on us. Make we rethink. Everybody go get your PVC and vote rightly. Vote for your rights. No vote for Chinge. No vote for mosquito. When I mean mosquito, I mean the small things maybe they give una. I mean no go belleful mosquito. You now go carry down and take sacrifice una 4 years for free for them. Vote for your rights. May Jonathan forgive us. Over Mama P in wife. In those days, that time Mama P they say the blood they are sharing with answer. It don't they answer because the innocent blood maybe they don't they kill, maybe they don't they share according to our Mama P. Now they make Nigeria life they be like this now. Now make Nigeria don't bear accident here, fuel tanker explode, this that because of the blood, the innocent blood don't they cry. I won't stop for you because I get video make I want do for Buhari, dead body Buhari head. So I go end for this one for you. This one I just message to Jonathan, make he have mercy on Nigeria, make him forgive us for the betrayal, no we betray him. So I will stop this one for you. This one out to Jonathan. Make una pass me a reaching hand. Make he have mercy on us. Apology to Jonathan. Now be this one. Make I come for Buhari now. In time don't reach for me and him. as he say he come to kill all the Christians, all the Nigeria, and bring him brothers from another country, because these Fulani, they are not Nigerians originally, but they are killing Nigerians, and Nigeria security forces just close their watch, fold their hand. They look how Nigerians they die in the hands of stranger for inside our own father's land, and they keep quiet. In another country, these security forces made them they in charge of security. They're supposed to don't sack their self, retire, but instead they canvass their self as if they get anything to offer to Nigerians. I don't blame them, because this thing not happen to any of their family member or their self in particular. So they no go feel the pain. They don't know wetin dey happen. But I pray may death fall upon all the security leaders, may they in charge of security for that country, but they fail to do their duty. May Amadioha strike them and their family dead, so that they go feel the pain. It is well. Make I continue again from here as usual. I get one for Buhari. Make I stop for here. I thank una very much. I love una so much. Now Coco Mama I be. Now me be this. I no remain for house. Who say this video offender? Drop your nasty comments. I go read and I go reply you. This message is for Nigerians, made they sensible, and I did it particularly to my former president. Make he have mercy on Nigeria. Maybe now those grudges may get for Nigerians. Now make this kind of thing they happen. And God save the verse with us. In fact, make I no go combine two topics together. We go continue.